𝗑𝗍 𝗠𝗎. Today is the 15th day and I am going to talk on human plus AI. Make AI your intern, not your threat. Collaboration over competition. Use AI to accelerate, not displace. Namaskar, I am 𝗚𝗂𝗏, a bestseller author, resilience strategist, and a work-life balance coach. I welcome you on the 15th day of 𝗑𝗍 𝗠𝗎. And today's theme is human plus AI. Make AI your intern, not your threat. Because those who fear AI will fade. Those who use it will lead. So you start taking lead. Don't get fed away. The problem. You think AI is here to steal your job? But what is the reality? AI is here to take your busy work if you learn to delegate strategically. Truth is, AI won't replace you, but someone using AI smartly might replace you. Point to be marked here. So how to use AI like a super intern? Someone you are training. AI is someone you are training, right? So don't treat AI like a magic wand. No, it is not. Treat it like a junior assistant that needs clear instructions. Here, the focus is on your instruction part. Be with me. Use AI to draft rough emails or proposals. It's okay. Summarize research plus reports. It is also okay. Brainstorm new ideas. Yes. Use it like any other inputs of your information or resources. That is good to go. Then translate plus transcribe. You can use AI. Personalize outreach at a scale. You still make the final decision. But now with 10 times less cognitive load. The load which was in your brain you have delegated to AI so that you are left with a greater responsibility in which you can need to apply your brain. The 4 task test for AI delegation. Use the DEEP filter. DEEP is an abbreviated form. Let us see what that abbreviation is. D, dump repetitive tasks. Simply automate it. Simply automate it. E, editing work that you do, make it a first draft with AI. It is all right because final draft will have your touch. E, explanatory brainstorming. Ask AI to co-create. It is not going to create. If you ask AI to create only, you lose your own identity. It must reflect what is your thinking. So it must co-create. P, prep works like slides, notes, list. If you delegate to AI, it will accelerate. But if you do yourself, it will take more time. So you're left with more time for more productive purpose. The research says, according to 2024 MIT Solon study, professionals who integrated AI saved 37% of time on administrative work. It also reported 22% higher creative output and had 35% more energy for decision making. So you are left with more time, more energy for taking right decisions. It is not about being replaced. It's about replacing your inefficiencies. The job which you do maybe in 30 minutes, it does in few seconds. So it is more efficient compared to you. So you stand inefficient in that sense with respect to AI. Here is your journal prompt. What 3 repetitive tasks can I offload to AI today? Ask yourself. And here is your bonus affirmation. AI doesn't replace me. It releases me to do my best work. Obviously. So here I present you the worksheet. Human plus AI efficiency planner. How do you plan it? Today's tool includes 3 things. The deep delegation map, as I have said just now. Top 10 AI use cases for mid-career professionals. It is there. prompt templates for daily productivity. Lot of powerful prompts I have provided for your practice. And DM day 15 to receive it instantly. Here I present you a mini case story. Meena, 48, non-profit director, was drowning in donor reports. She now uses AI for first draft plus data summaries. Outcome, 6 extra hours per week plus emotional energy to lead better. Here is call to action for you. Comment, I use AI but I lead with humanity. DM day 15 for efficiency toolkit. Tag someone who is resisting AI and subscribe my channel for 16th day in which I'll reveal the art of prompt engineering without coding, without you being a coder. Let us meet tomorrow. Thank you very much.